Episode 7, Usage of the Charging Adapter. How to charge the Defender 20 Lite battery. There are two ways to charge the battery, using a charging adapter or a 3-port Type-C charging hub. The Defender 20 Lite comes with a default charging adapter, which allows the battery to be connected to a standard RC charger. To charge, connect the XT60 plug first, followed by the balance port. When inserting the balance port, ensure it is connected to the right side. After connecting the charger properly, insert the battery into the slot. Once the charger detects the battery voltage, proceed with the charging operation. When using the charging adapter, it is recommended to set the charging current to no more than 2 amperes. 3-port Type-C charging hub for the Defender 20 Lite is an optional accessory and is not included by default. It must be purchased separately. To use the 3-port Type-C charging hub, connect the data cable or charging cable to a power adapter with a USB-A or USB-C port. Then plug the other end of the cable into the charging adapter and insert the battery into the charging slot. While charging, breathing LED indicates battery is charging. Flashing LED indicates waiting for battery connection or an error has occurred. Solid LED indicates battery is fully charged. Besides, charging modes based on input voltage. 1. 5 volts input, only the first LED lights up, indicating the first port is charging. Max power, 15 watts, 5 volts 3 amperes. 2. 9 volts input, only the second LED lights up, indicating the second port is charging. Max power, 18 watts, 9 volts 2 amperes. 3. 12 volts to 15 volts input, the first and second LEDs light up, indicating both ports are charging. Max power, 30 watts, 15 volts 2 amperes. 4. Above 15 volts input, all 3 LEDs light up, indicating all 3 ports are charging. Max power, 45 watts, 20 volts 2.25 amperes. For optimal charging, it is recommended to use a PD or QC supported charger or power bank with a power output of 45 watts or higher. Before use, please ensure that your charger supports these protocols. That's all for this video. In the next episode, we will introduce replacement of the propeller guard.